I got a feeling that this could be a little more than feelings. If I'm being honest, honestly, you got me where you want it.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have another behind the scenes video plus a mini lens review. Recently I decided to get the Canon RF 28-70mm f2 lens, and I don't normally like zoom lenses, but this one is special. I tried it when I was in Hawaii. A friend photographer Cash, who joined us at the photo shoot, had this lens, and I tried it out and I was super impressed. So when I got home I decided to get it myself. I really like this lens.
Yeah?
I do like it. Because listen, it still gives you nice bokeh and softness, but you have everything like all in once, right?
I hate going to my bag and changing.
Yeah.
And so.
Damn, am I gonna buy like all these new lenses now? I would love to take this lens with me when I want to travel light and bring only one lens, but I'm not sure if I can replace my one and only love, the 85mm 1.2. So in this video, I will also compare the two lenses and we can find out if the 28-70 is comparable to the iconic 85 1.2. Alrighty, let's get you sitting on that. It doesn't look very comfortable because it has these like ridges. I can always try to put something underneath, you know? Like if it's really uncomfortable, we can put some clothing maybe. Like. Yeah. And then you can even put like maybe this, the dress a little bit higher here on the knee. Yes. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I love it. And I love that you can actually touch the water. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, stay like that. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, that looks really pretty. Let's see, what if you can, maybe you can try to do that thing where like you, and you hold it with one hand, like.
The bow on the proper
Yeah.
side?
I don't really, let's do the bow like on this, like this here. You don't have to like fully like push it.
Okay.
Just, you're like holding it with one hand, yeah, and with the other one, you can, yeah, yes, and you're kind of like looking down in the river. That's beautiful. Oh, I love that. I love that, the face and the pose, everything. That looks amazing. Okay, stay there. I'm gonna do the same with the other lens, like in this spot. Beautiful. Wow. Amazing. And look at me here. Oh yes, I love that. Wow, gorgeous. So here are the two shots. I was standing in the same exact spot for both of them, and both are shot wide open, and the zoom lens is zoomed in all the way at 70mm. I was pretty much shooting both of the lenses at their limits. And I asked you guys on my social media which one you liked better and why. And overall, most people preferred the look of the 85 1.2 over the zoom, but a lot of you also said that it all depends on the background and your intent, which I completely agree with, and my personal opinion is that I like both of them. They are just different, but both work for different reasons, so it's just completely up to personal preference at this point. Next, we're taking some pictures in the creek. I wanted to see how both lenses will handle a lot of reflections. Yeah, you're just like stepping, yeah. You're just continuously like stepping, yes. Yeah. Exactly. Yes, like that. That is perfect, actually. Oh, okay. Keep your body like that. Yes, yeah. Yes, oh, that's actually beautiful, yes. Oh, I love that. Take just one step this way and do the same thing. Yeah, right there, right there. Oh my God, that's the spot. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, I love it. I shot this image from above on the ladder because I wanted the background to be mostly just water, but that made the model look really unproportionate and short, so here's how I fixed it. I go to filter and lens correction and distort the lower part of the image to elongate it. And then with the marquee tool, I select just the legs and then press free transform, distort, and drag that selection down to elongate the legs. And finally, I crop and straighten out the image. If you would like more editing tips, check out my recent Photoshop tutorial. I will link it in the description. Yeah. Oh no, a rock in my shoe. Okay, okay, now I have to go a little bit further because it's 85, not 70. Okay, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that so much. That's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, stay there. I'm gonna take just one more step further. But that's like beautiful. What if you do it with both of your hands? The flowers, like you hold it with both of your hands? Yes. Yes. Exactly. And just take a little bit of your hair off of your face so I can see it. Yeah. Yes. Yes, that's beautiful. Love it. Amazing. And then keep moving. Oh yeah, I love that. I love that, what you were just doing like before. So here, I actually thought that the zoom made more sense, as I liked seeing a bit more of the beautiful background, and I thought that it was handling the really strong backlight just a little bit better than the 85. The 85 is still beautiful, but it's almost too much, so I decided to take a few more shots on the zoom in this spot. Maybe we just put the hat on the side for now. You know what? Yeah, let's just like drop it like over there somewhere. Don't worry about the legs. I'm doing like the knee up. Ooh, I really like kind of like you were going like this, but pull it just higher because I can see. Yes, yeah, that's good. That's good. Actually, that's kind of cute too, like you kind of holding it. Yes. Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful. I love that, like the little look you do. Yeah. Try it at 50. See what it looks like here. Okay, so here I'm doing the full body. So you can definitely move. Yeah, just do kind of like those things, like, yeah. Yes. Exactly, yeah. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh. This looks nice too. So So this shot was done at 50mm, and I actually wish I had taken more images from this angle and at 50mm in the spot. And it just made me think that if I was shooting just with my 85, I wouldn't be able to try something different. But having the zoom is like having multiple lenses in one. So I do think it's very convenient and makes you try more different angles than shooting with the fixed lens, at least for me. And in my opinion, it still looks very dreamy with beautiful bokeh. I'm thinking if you're sitting like right here and just kind of, yeah,
Okay.
or maybe higher, maybe right here, and then you can like even hold on to this. Just kind of play around with it, you know? Oh, I love that. I love that. Okay, stay like that. I'm gonna do these in like this. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Yes, love, love, love it. Maybe a little bit of a smile. Yeah, oh my god. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so stay like that because I'm gonna get this on my other lens. Oh, so pretty. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. So pretty.
As time goes by, I'm a blink of an eye in the sunshine. As time goes by, I'm a stranger caught in a snapshot.
I think these two shots right here really show the magical quality of the 85 1.2, especially compared to the zoom. The 85 really shines when you have the balanced light and a busy background like we do here, so it just wins here 100% for me. And of course, I took a few more shots on the 85 in this spot. Oh my god, so pretty. I love it.
Watch you smile.
What if you put the legs more like on the side, you know what I mean? Like not on the plank, but just like hanging. Like try to sit more kind of like on the side. Yes, yeah, yeah. And yeah, that's cute. I like, yeah, just not like this, but just, yes, yeah, yes, exactly. You got it. And maybe like the strap down here. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, there you go, there you go. Oh, that's beautiful. That's the shot. And look at me here. Just keep wiggling your toes, like yes, and look at me. Yes.
I'm a stranger caught in a snapshot frame.
Finally, we got to our last spot and we changed the outfit. I took a few shots on the 85 and immediately I switched to the zoom. It was a similar situation to the one I had by the river. I think it was just a bit too much with the 85. It was glaring like crazy and it looked kind of washed out, while the zoom gave me more contrast and it was just more suited for this location. Let's do this sitting. Remember you said that you can maybe try to sit on that like edge? I don't know. Let me know if you need like help. Like trying to... It looks pretty stable. Yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, that's really pretty. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, I love that like you try to put like your leg up. Is it possible to put like your leg up, like all the way?
All the way here?
Yeah, yes, yes, like that. Yeah, and look, yes, oh, I love that. Do we even more like kind of like this? Yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's beautiful. Love. Can you even like more like hug them? Like, is that possible? Yeah. Yes, I love that, yeah. Yes, gorgeous. Oh, love it, love it, love it. That's beautiful. You know what? Can I do it without this thingy? Because it's kind of like sitting at the bottom, and like I think it would look better like this, like more natural. Yeah, like I love the legs. Like they're looking really beautiful. Yeah, what if you lean more? Yes, exactly, this way, yeah. Yeah, I like that better. Yes, ooh, that's super gorgeous. Love, 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 love. Wow. And finally, we have video. I think the 85 is gorgeous, but it's really hard to film video with it because it's so heavy and short, and you can still do it and it will look beautiful, but it's not easy. The zoom is also heavy and chunky, but it's longer, and that makes it easier to hold, and it felt more stable filming on it. And I think having the variety of focal lengths in one lens really beats the 85 when it comes to video. So these are my thoughts overall. I'm very happy with my new purchase. The RF 28-70 f2 is a beast. It comes with all of the advantages of the zoom, but still gives that beautiful background blur and bokeh. But that being said, nothing beats the 85 1.2. It's my favorite lens for a reason, and I don't think I can go to a photo shoot without it in my bag. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!